How to fix Xiaomi 15 won't send MMS messages. So let's start the video. First of all, check your network connection will works properly or not. After checking your network connection, then turn on your mobile data. For turning on your mobile data, swipe down to your control center. Now here you can turn on or off your mobile data. Now turn on your mobile data and then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold volume up button and power button at the same time like that, and then swipe up to power off your device and then turn on your device again. After that, open settings and then scroll down and click on apps and then click on manage apps and then search here messages. Now click on messages and then click on storage. Now here you can clear your messages storage data. After clear the messages storage, then go back to the main page of your settings and then click on more connectivity options and then click on reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks and Bluetooth. Now click on it and now here you can reset your network settings. After reset the network settings, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.